days on God on my childhood. Check out my microwave, my $350 microwave on God. Custom NBA G-Boy microwave. Stop playing with my microwave on God, bitch. You buy David RR and leaves change on God. My 350K microwave, bitch. You see how it is? You see the brick? A brick out here cost 10K on God. You see the blue bricks on God. My blue bricks cost 20K per one brick for just this microwave on God. You see what I mean? You see my chimney out here, bitch. You don't want to know how much this is. MBG boy custom made microwave on God. And I open my microwave. You see what's in my microwave? I got Max in my microwave, bro. Stop playing with me. I got rocks stacked in my microwave on God. You see this shit? I got rocks in my microwave. I ain't playing, man. Fuck an RR on God. Fuck an RR on God. I got rocks in my microwave on God. Fuck an RR. I got rocks in my microwave on God. Y'all stop playing. I got rocks in my microwave, bitch, on God. You see what it is, bitch? Fuck an RR, bitch. I got rocks in my microwave on God. I got rocks out here on God. I got rocks in my microwave on God. Stop playing the fuck with me. I got rocks out here on God. Stop playing 350K in my microwave on God. Y'all stop playing with me. 350K out here in my microwave on God. 350K out here in my microwave on God. I ain't playing on God on my child. Y'all stop playing with me on God.